Ayan. Good morning. Magigisa tayo ng gulay. Ready na yung ating kaserola. Ayan, nagigisa na tayo ng bawang at sibuyas. We'll start sauteing now. Simpleng gulay lang po ito, mga kapatid. Dahil ni-request po ng aking anak na magluto daw ng beans with ground beef. So, we just added broccoli, bell pepper, and celery. So, it's not just only one vegetable later. I'll show you later if I put it, if this ground beef was already tender. Ayan, malambot na yung ating beef. So, ilagay na natin yung ating beans o mga gulay. Haluin ng konti. Halu-haluin natin. Tsaka natin ilagay yung shrimp. I'm going to put the shrimp later. Beans. Ayan po, lagyan na natin ng paminta, asin, at konting Knorr seasoning. And then, lagay na rin po natin yung ating hipon. There you have it. Luto na po ang ating beans na may hipon at ground beef. Ito na po siya. Ready to eat na po tayo.